Hello, and welcome back to our Scrum Study course on a guide to the Scrum body of knowledge. We are in Module 5 and have just finished a session on Form Scrum Team Process. In this module, we're going to learn about the Develop Epics process. The inputs to this process are Scrum Core Team. The Scrum Core Team consists of the Scrum Team, the Scrum Master, and the Product Owner as described in Section 3.3.1. Project Vision Statement. The Project Vision Statement is described in detail in Section 8.1.3.2.
Another input is Business Stakeholders. It is described in detail in Section 8.2.3.2.
The tool used in the Develop Epics process is User Group Meetings. User Group Meetings involve relevant stakeholders who are primarily users or customers of the product. They provide the Scrum Core team with first-hand information about user expectations. This helps in formulating the acceptance criteria for the product and provides valuable insights for developing epics. These meetings also promote buy-in for the project and create a common understanding among the Scrum Core team and relevant stakeholders. The outputs of the Develop Epics process are epics and personas. Epics. Epics are written in the initial stages of the project when most user stories are high-level functionalities or product descriptions and requirements are broadly defined. They are large, unrefined user stories in the prioritized product backlog. Once these epics come up in the prioritized product backlog for completion in an upcoming sprint, they are then broken down in smaller, more granular user stories. These smaller user stories are generally simple, short, and easy to implement functionalities or blocks of tasks to be completed in a sprint. Personas. Personas are highly detailed fictional characters, representative of the majority of users, and of other stakeholders who may not directly use the end product. Personas are created to identify the needs of the target user base. Creating specific personas can help the team better understand users and their requirements and goals. Based on a persona, the product owner can more effectively prioritize features to create the prioritized product backlog. Creating a persona involves assigning a fictional name and preferably a picture, like a stock image, to the character. The personas will include highly specific attributes such as age, gender, education, environment, interests, and goals. This brings us to the end of our session on Module 5, which dealt with the Develop Epics process. I look forward to seeing you in our next session on the Create Prioritized Product Backlog process. Until then, goodbye, and thank you for learning with us.